Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share your Telegram channel with friends, followers, or a wider audience, knowing how to copy your channel link is essential. Today, I'll walk you through the updated and easiest way to copy your Telegram channel link so you can share it anywhere you like. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look for your channel. This could be one you've created or manage. Tap to open your channel from the chat list. Now, at the very top of your screen, you'll see the name of your channel. Tap on the channel name. This will take you to the channel's information page, where you can see details like the channel description, members, and more. On this page, look for the section labeled Invite Link. This is where Telegram provides a unique link that lets anyone join your channel with just a tap. Tap on Invite Link to see more options. Here, you'll see your channel's invite link displayed clearly. To copy it, simply tap the Copy Link button. In an instant, the link is copied to your device's clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere, whether that's in a message, on social media, or in an email. Just long press in any text field and select Paste to share your channel link. And that's all there is to it. In just a few quick steps, you've copied your Telegram channel link and you're ready to share it with anyone, anywhere. This method works for both public and private channels. But remember that for private channels, only admins can access and share the invite link. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a quick Telegram tip. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.